Hello friends, this is Virendra Singh Tekam. Welcome from Abhyas Academy of Science. Okay, in last video we have seen active to passive voice, especially for interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences we have seen especially for WH type. Okay, today we are going to deal with interrogative sentences, especially for yes no type, right? In WH type we have seen that how the sentence will start from WH words like what, where, who, how, whose, whom. Okay, in earlier videos also, in early videos we have seen that how we have to deal with active to passive voice, especially for imperative sentences and infinitives like 2 plus 1, 2 plus v1. Okay, so let's talk about interrogative for yes no type. The sentence which starts from the helping verbs और द मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. जो सेंटेंस हेल्पिंग वर्ब से शुरू होगा लाइक एम इज आर वॉज वेयर डू डज डिड. ओके, और कुछ सेंटेंस मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से शुरू होंगे लाइक कैन कुड वुड शुड. ओके, लेट्स चेक आउट. सो इफ आई राइट हैव यू completed the task yesterday? Have you completed the task yesterday? The sentence I have written, have you completed the task yesterday? Our sentence is starting from have. Okay, so have is here helping verb. Have यहाँ पर helping verb है. You is a subject. Completed is a action verb. It is in third form, and the task is a object. Okay, and yesterday we consider as a complement, additional information. So for dealing with active to passive voice, especially for interrogative sentences, okay, we need everything. We need the whole material. Okay, we need the subject, we need the action verb, we need helping verb. So guys, we have everything. यहाँ पर सब कुछ है हमारे पास. So let's deal how we can make it into passive voice. Okay, now this sentence has given into present perfect tense. ये जो sentence है ये present perfect tense में दिया हुआ है. Let's check out. Okay, so the object is here, the task is here. Our sentence is starting from have, obviously. So यहाँ पर जो task है ये it is a kind of a name. So definitely we will start from has. तो यहाँ पर हमारा passive voice has से शुरू होगा. So has the task been. We'll take the additional support of helping verb. Has the task been completed? Has the task been completed yesterday by you? Okay, at last we put the question mark. Has the task been completed yesterday by you? So this is we have done. Okay, especially for yes no type का ये treatment हमने passive voice में कर दिया. Has the task been completed yesterday by you? Question. Okay, let's check out another one. एक और देखते हैं. Do I read the newspaper? Do I read the newspaper? Question. Do I read the newspaper? Question mark. Suppose in the bracket if you get change the voice, then how we have to do? Do I read the newspaper? Question mark. Guys, here also we have to take care for the tenses. यहाँ पर भी हमें tenses का बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. We first responsibility, first priority that we have to identify the tense first. Now the sentence what I have converted, like first one, जो पहला sentence मैंने convert किया है वो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में है. नाउ अनदर सेंटेंस हैज गिवन इनटू सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस बिकॉज आवर क्वेश्चन इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम डू. हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है वो डू से शुरू हो रहा है. सो वी गॉट द फॉर्मूला ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस एम इज आर प्लस V3 प्लस बाय प्लस सब्जेक्ट. सो ऑब्वियसली do is there and our object is the newspaper, so definitely the newspaper is there, so we'll start from is. So is the newspaper, is the newspaper read by me? Is the newspaper read by me? Okay, so this is the treatment what we are seeing specially for yes no type, active to passive voice for yes no type. Let's check out one more. Is she watching? Is she watching the movie? Is she watching the movie? Okay, so this is the sentence. This sentence has given into present continuous tense. So how we'll deal that? Guys, we should remember the formulas. Everything depends on the formulas, right? Formulas अगर हमें याद है so it's quite easy to make it the sentence specially for active to passive voice. So the sentence I have written, the sentence मैंने लिखा है is she watching the movie? So how we deal that? इसको कैसे deal करेंगे? Let's check out. Is the movie, is the movie being, is the movie being watched? Here we will take the supporting helping verb being. Okay, continuous tense है so we will take being. Present perfect tense है so we will take been. Okay, so is the movie being watched by her? Okay, so like this we will deal with active to passive for yes no type. Okay, few more sentences we will see that. और sentences देखते हैं so you will understand better. आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. Till now we have seen 3 examples. अब तक हमने 3 examples देखे हैं. कुछ और एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. ओके, सो एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4. लेट्स चेक आउट फ्रॉम had Rahul finished, had Rahul finished his lunch? Question. Had Rahul finished his lunch? Question mark. Now this sentence I have written on the board. It is in past perfect tense because our question is starting from had. Okay, we can calculate. हम लोग इसको पहचान सकते हैं. Had is a helping verb. Rahul is a subject. Okay, finished is an action verb. It is in third form. And his lunch, we got a object. Here we got a direct object, so obviously we'll start from his lunch. But this is a question. ये question है, तो obviously we have to talk for the question, right? So had his lunch. Okay. Had his lunch been? Had his lunch been finished? Had his lunch been finished by Rahul? And at last we put the question mark. Had his lunch been finished by Rahul? Question mark. Let's check out another one. Okay. Was I not reading a book? Was I not reading a book for you? Was I not reading a book for you? Now this is the sentence, it is a negative sentence, but we can identify the tense of the sentence, right? Was is there, so was is a helping verb of past tense. Okay, it's an identity of past tense. I is a subject, not is a negative word. Okay, reading is a fourth form of action verb, that's called present participle. A book is a direct object, and for you we consider as a complement. So guys, we have everything, we have every material to deal with active to passive voice. Okay, so let's check out. The sentence has given into past continuous tense, so how we deal that? A book is a object here, so obviously we'll start from was a book, was a book not being, was a book not being. We have to use being. Why? Because the active voice is given into past continuous tense. Okay, so we will use being. So was a book not being read, was a book not being read for you by me. Okay, by me नहीं भी लिखा तो भी चलेगा, but we can write. Okay, so was a book not being read for you by me. So this is the treatment what we can see, right? Let's check out for a future का देख लेते हैं, so you will understand. Okay, will she eat a mango? Will she eat a mango with her friends? Question mark. Will she eat a mango with her friends? Okay, question mark. Now here also we have each material, we have a direct object, so we can take it, but the sentence has given into future tense. Okay, it is in simple future tense. So how we deal that? Okay, so we'll start from will. So will a mango be eaten? Will a mango be eaten with her friends? Will a mango be eaten with her friends by her? This is the way how we deal with active to passive voice, especially for yes no type. Few more examples we will see. Okay, कुछ और examples हम लोग देखते हैं. So let's check out. Till now we have seen 6 examples. Okay, hope so that you guys are sitting with pen and paper and you are noting down. आप नोट कर रहे हैं, आप लिख रहे हैं. Guys, you have to do lot of practice. आपको practice करना है. Let's check out number 7. Okay, one more time I would like to tell you we are dealing with active to passive voice, especially for yes no type. The interrogative variety we are seeing. हम लोग interrogative variety देख रहे हैं. So let's check out. Okay. Can he attained all lectures? Can he attend all lectures till today? Can he attend all lectures till today? Now this is also question, but the question is starting from can. हमारा जो question है वो can से शुरू हो रहा है. So can is a modal auxiliary verb. Till now we have seen for the helping verbs, right? Now we will see for modal auxiliary verbs. I'll try to make you understand. Okay, so can he attend all lectures till today? So how will deal that? So we'll write can. Same modal auxiliary verb we will use. So can all lectures be attended? Can all lectures be attended till today by him? Okay, so can all lectures be attended till today by him? We have to make it like this. Okay, so this is the way how we deal. Right, let's check out number 8. Should I write a novel? Should I write a novel for my college? Okay, should I novel for my college? Should I write novel for my college in this year? Question mark. Guys, I have written a one sentence, right? Should I write a novel for my college in this year? Again, the sentence has given into interrogative form. This is a yes no type, and the modal auxiliary verb is given should. Okay, so how to deal that? The same modal auxiliary verb will come. Should a novel be written? Should a novel be written for my college in this year? Question. Should a novel be written for my college in this year by me? Okay, so we can consider. So this is the way how we deal with active to passive voice, especially for yes no type. Okay, some more examples we will see that. आज इसके बारे में बात करेंगे हम. So till now we have completed 8 examples. Hope so that you are simultaneously, you guys are writing also. आप लिख रहे हैं. Okay, hope so that. So let's check out another example. Okay, we are dealing with modal auxiliary verb, so let's take out another modal auxiliary verb. Would you take this assignment? Would you take this assignment? Would you take this assignment after me? Would you take this assignment after me? Okay, now this is a sentence I have written. Would you take this assignment after me? Okay, our sentence is starting from would. So would is a modal auxiliary verb. So how we'll do that? कैसे करेंगे देख लेते हैं. So we got a object here, direct object, this assignment. So we'll start from this assignment, but the same modal auxiliary verb we have to write. Would this assignment be taken? Would this assignment be taken after me by you? Okay, so would this assignment be taken after me by you? So the sentence we have converted into active to passive voice. Okay, let's check out another और देखते हैं. Okay, we'll start from could. Could Ajay watch? Could Ajay watch? Could Ajay watch a TV? Could Ajay watch a TV serial? Could Ajay watch a TV serial yesterday? Could Ajay watch a TV serial yesterday? Guys, you can do practice by taking different varieties of examples, right? So whatever things are coming here, coming into my mind, so I'm trying to make you understand. Okay, so could Ajay watch a TV serial yesterday? So how will do that? So we'll start from could. So we have to make it into active to passive. So could a TV serial be watched? Could a TV serial be watched yesterday by Ajay? Could a TV serial be watched yesterday by Ajay? So in this way we make the sentences, in this way we deal with active voice, passive voice, especially for yes no type. Okay, this is the yes no type sentences what we are doing, and so I think like you understood well, आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. Okay, you guys have to do a lot of practice, आपको इसका practice करना पड़ेगा. Okay, in next topic we will see some another grammar sections. Next topic में हम लोग कुछ अलग दूसरे grammar sections देखेंगे. Okay, so let's see few more examples for now this is yes no type, right? So let's talk more about some WH type. थोड़ा WH type के बारे में भी और examples हो जाए तो better रहेगा. Okay, so I'll rub this thing. So this is only for remembrance. Okay, let's talk more about WH type. WH type के बारे में थोड़ा और बात करते हैं. Suppose if I write like who has painted this, who has painted this picture? Question. The question I have written, right? Who has painted this picture? एक sentence मैंने लिखा है interrogative form में, and our question is starting from who. So whenever our question will start from who, so definitely our passive voice will start from by whom. Okay, so by whom, has this picture, been painted? By whom has this picture been painted? So like this we have to do, by whom has this picture been painted, or we can write in a different way also. So write by whom this picture has been painted. By whom this picture has been painted. We can write in a both ways. Both sentences are absolutely correct. Okay, according to the format, according to the structure. Okay, let's take out one more और देख लेते हैं. why had she pushed her younger sister. Okay, so why had she pushed her younger sister? A simple question I have written, a simple sentence I have written. Why had she pushed her younger sister? So how we deal that? Okay, by identifying the tense. The tense has given into past perfect tense, so we have to make it into passive voice. So obviously we'll start from why. So why had her younger sister been pushed by her? Question. So why had her younger sister been pushed by her? Okay, it's question mark. This is the way how we deal with active to passive for yes no type. Now this is one more time I am explaining about active to passive for WH type. Okay, so hope so that you are getting the things. आपको चीज़ें समझ में आ रही होगी. Earlier when I started with active passive voice, I have explained about assertive sentences, the sentence which starts from subject and which ends in the object, right? After that we have seen about active to passive for imperative sentences, the sentence which starts from action verb. Okay, and after that we have seen for infinitives, right? 2 plus v1. Okay, so we have seen the sentences like it is the time to close the shop, so we have done like it is the time. So like this we have done all these things, right? After that we have seen like active to passive for interrogative, especially for WH type. Then we talked about like yes no type. Okay, so hope so that you are getting the things nicely. Okay, and very soon we are going to meet in our next video. In next video I'll try to make it, or I'll try to clear the further grammar sections like direct indirect speech. We'll talk more on that. We'll talk more about assertive to affirmative to negative. We'll talk more about like assertive to interrogative. There are a lot of grammar sections, we will talk on that, right? Slowly. Okay, so you will understand also and you will prepare for the examination. So guys, one thing I would like to tell you, that do practice regularly, and I think like it is quite enough. Okay, so be safe. Thank you so much.